is Bani Nur Faujan. I am from Group 5 as a moderator. In this video, we will explain about narrative text. Objective in this video in definition of narrative text, function of narrative text, general structure of narrative text, language feature of narrative text, and the last is example of narrative text.
Definition of narrative text. Narrative text is a type of text that tells a story without function or non-function, with a sequence of interconnected events.
Function of narrative text. The function of narrative text is to tell an imaginative story, entertain readers, convey a moral message, and preserve cultural or historical traditions.
Orientation. In this structure, the storyteller or writer will introduce the characters, time and place where the events in the story take place.
Application. This structure will expand out the script, the problem or conflict in the story.
Resolution. In the resolution, the character in the story begin to find solution to resolve the various problems from the complication.
Reorientation, the part of narrative text that conveys moral values, advice, or lesson in the conclusion for the reader. Language feature of narrative text. Point 1. Past tense. Point 2. Adverb of time. Point 3. Time conjunction. Point 4. Specific character. Point 5. Direct speech. Point 6. Action verbs. One day, in the West Jakarta area, specifically in Rawabelong, lived a man named Si Pitung. He was the son of Nyak Pinah and Bang Piung. Pitung was very skilled in martial arts because he was taught by his master, Haji Napiin. Well done, Pitung. You are becoming more skilled in martial arts. Remember, use your martial arts to protect yourself, not to harm others.
Alright, Master.
That's your training for today.
Thank you, Master, for your guidance.
That was life. He and his family earned money from trading in the market. But one time when he went to go home, after finishing trading, he accidentally bumped into someone.
Finally, my mission is solved. I'll give this money to my mother.
Hey, can you walk please?
Sorry. Where is my money?
Pitung suspected that the person he had brushed against had stolen his money, so he decided to go back and confront him.
You stole my money. Please, return it.
If you want your money back, come fight me first.
Alright, if that's what you want.
A fight broke out and the chief was defeated.
Robot the wrong person. Instead of stealing my money, you the beater of robot to Dutch, who have robbed our nation.
I'm not able to do that. You're strong, bold, you like to be our leader. For robbing the dog.
Robbing the Dutch? Okay, I'll do it. But remember, the spoils are not for us, but shall return to the people.
They then carried out a robbery against the Dutch, intending to distribute the loot to those in need. Eventually, the commander ordered his men to capture Si Pitung and his friend.
This can be allowed. How dare they rob us? Catch Pitung and his friend quickly.
Alright, Commander.
Si Pitung, his friend, was captured, leaving only Pitung remaining.
Can catch me?
Catch you.
Finally, Si Pitung defeated the Dutch with his own strength.
And you get out of here.
The heroic tale of Si Pitung remains famous to this day and has become a Jakarta legend.
Pitung, you are becoming more.
Use to your...
A few moments later.
Well done, Pitung. You are becoming...
One eternity later.
Martian arts. Remember, use your Martian... Well done, Pitung. You...
2,000 years later.
Thank you, Master, for your guidance.
Mister, ini bukannya kerja kelompok malah main PS, Mister. Waduh, kacau nih, Mister nih.
Robbing the Dutch? Okay, I'll do it. But remember.
A few moments later.
Remember, the spoils are not for us. Nah itu ketiga belum apa lagi.
A few inches later.
You robbed the wrong person. Kalau jangan liatin gua apa di
2,000 years later.
of Robert to Dutch, who have robbed our nation.
This structure will expand of the script.